Hello guys, welcome. A minor chord, you flatten the third. This is the third and this is the fifth. You flatten the third to this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the third one, you will flatten it. When you flatten it, what you have actually created is a 2-note interval against a 3-note interval. The major chord was 3 intervals against 2. The minor is 2 against 3. So once we have that, let's get on the keyboard. Now we're going to apply using the ray on some basic songs that we can think about and see how we go about it. So with a ray, when you are playing basic songs like, let's take Danasi for instance. You start with Danasi, Danasi, Da, Onyami, Nasi. Again. Last time we learned how to play with melody lines, so you can go on that route. But basically, I want us to hit on the ray with the left finger and the right, the chord we use, then we progress from there. Melody line again. You can do. That's there, but we are looking at that from the basic perspective. So we're looking at. This time you're doing it with 5, 1, 4, 2, 5, and 1. Again, 1 and 4. Instead of hitting the 4 again, you have to. Whenever you go into the fifth note, one of the best ways to get to the fifth note or the fifth chord, that's the so, is by using the ray. Whenever you get into the so, you use the ray. Do you get it? And that makes the song beautiful. Can we have any other song? Can I have any other song? Alfred, are you there?
Yeah.
What song can we have?
Ohene Biara.
Okay, let's go.
Ohene Biara tesewo Yesu Christo.
Pause there. You see, instead of playing tesewo Yesu Christo, we can do every tesewo Yesu, tesewo Yesu Christo. Now you could see me playing this chord instead of this chord. Why? Because this is an inversion of this chord, just like we did in F. The Do, this one comes here. That's the first inversion. This one comes here. Then it becomes the second inversion. Then we move. This one comes here. And we move back to the root. So the ray is the same thing. You have this. Then this one. It moves to this side. You have the first inversion. This one, the B flat, moves here higher. Then you have the second inversion. Then the D moves higher. Then you have the back to the roots. You have. You got it? Okay, so if you see me playing this, it's a choice, and also it's going to make the music more palatable. So that's instead of this sometimes. So you can learn this, and come back to this. So you on the left hand and the right hand. Again. practice that and get used to playing the second minor chord of the major scale in the key of F. You can do that. Again. You get me? In conclusion, practice. Be patient. Learning the keyboard is not easy, but it's equally easy if you are patient and you practice. I may take just like 10 minutes to teach you this. It could take you like 12 hours or 6 hours or 3 hours to practice. Practice, get it well. And as we progress, it's all going to make sense. If you have watched this video to this point, don't forget to subscribe. It means a lot to me. And also like. Let me know in the comment section what you think I could have done better if you're already a teacher. And what you think I missed. Or what you don't understand. Let me know in the comment section. And I'll address that in the next video and proceeding videos. Have a good day. Love you. Bye-bye.